Can sea sponges regenerate? Have you ever wondered how some creatures can bounce back from injury? Sea sponges are one of those amazing organisms that can regenerate. But how exactly do they do it? Let's take a closer look at the fascinating world of sea sponges and their remarkable ability to regrow. When a sea sponge gets injured or cut into pieces, it doesn't just heal like many other animals. Instead, it can regenerate its body parts. This process starts with cell dissociation. When a sponge is harmed, its cells separate from each other. After that, these cells begin to come back together in a process called reaggregation. As the cells regroup, they start to organize themselves into a recognizable shape. This means that the sponge begins to take on its original form again. Some sponges can even regenerate an entire body from just a small piece of themselves. This incredible ability allows them to survive even when a large part of their body is lost. There are two main ways that sea sponges regenerate. The first is whole body regeneration from fragments. If a sponge is cut into small pieces, it can grow back an entire new body from just a tiny fragment. The second method is regeneration by cell aggregation. In this case, the separated cells come together and form a new sponge. The cellular mechanisms behind this regeneration are quite fascinating. Sea sponges can undergo cell dedifferentiation and transdifferentiation. This means that their cells can change functions and become different types of cells that are necessary for rebuilding their bodies. Morphogenesis is another important process, as it helps the cells organize into specific shapes, allowing the sponge to reform. Understanding how sea sponges regenerate can also have practical applications. Scientists are studying these processes to gain knowledge that might help in healing injuries or regrowing tissues in other animals, including humans. So, can sea sponges regenerate? Yes, they can, and they do it in remarkable ways. Their unique abilities not only help them survive in the ocean, but also provide valuable lessons for research in regenerative biology.